Welcome to my channel. Campione d'Italia is a commune of the province of Como in the Lombardy region of Italy and an enclave surrounded by the Swiss canton of Ticino. Campione is easy to reach by boat, bus and car, and although you have to cross the Swiss-Italian line to reach it, there are no formal border controls. Campione is approximately 9 km from Lugano by road and 15 minutes across the lake by boat. A ferry service runs regularly from Lugano to Campione throughout the day. Today we will travel through boat and visit this tax haven of Italy. The Casino di Campione was the largest employer in the municipality and its closure in 2018. The casino then reopened in 2022. It was founded in 1917, owned by the Italian government and operated by the municipality. The income from casino was sufficient for the operation of Campione without the imposition of taxes or obtaining other revenue. It was the Europe's largest casino. Now we are at Swiss-Italian border. As such, there are no border controls.
Italy. Okay. I have a business, my own factory. Okay, I make textile machinery parts. The machinery.
Campione d'Italia is a small Italian commune of 1.7 square kilometer and located entirely within Switzerland. Total population is 3,000 and about 1,000 of them are foreigners. A famous casino generates substantial revenue, which is one of the reasons why residents of Campione enjoy some very special tax concessions. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and also press notification bell to get alerts for upcoming videos. Thank you.